This brief video will show you how to add ScreenCastify to your Google Chrome browser if you don't already have it. Okay, so the first thing that you have to do is to search for Chrome Web Store. And when you get to the Chrome Web Store, if it isn't already visible, then you search for ScreenCastify. Search up here for ScreenCastify. It's already visible down here, but in case it's not, you search for it. It brings it to the top. And just click Add to Chrome. Add the extension. Takes it a moment, maybe a few seconds, and you'll notice ScreenCastify has been added to Chrome. All right. Now, what you want to do, if you choose to do this, is to pin it to the toolbar or to the Chrome toolbar so that it's always available there. When you click on the setup, it'll say, please sign in with Google. All right, I'm going to sign in. Using your Google account from school, tell them that you give permission to use the camera and any annotation tools. Allow that. And then there are some videos to get you started here if you would like to know about them. I also want to point out a few things to you. Once it's on the toolbar here, it's easy to start up. You just click on it, choose to embed a webcam, and you have all of the tools. For example, your recordings are all available to you right there. All right, in this case, I only have one recording, but that's how it is. By the way, also, if you sign in using your school account, notice that you have the unlimited version. So the district has purchased the unlimited ScreenCastify for all teachers in the district, which means that you have no limit to the number and length of the videos that you can create. Yay! Thank you, district. Okay, that's it. I hope it helped. If you need help using this Chrome extension or any other, let me know.